Hey, quick tip video today. I'm going to show you exactly how to use the ORB keyword in the strategy builder, what it does, and how to set it up correctly. ORB stands for Opening Range Breakout. It lets you fetch the open, high, low, close, or volume of any stock, but only for a specific time window you define. So for example, you can tell it, give me the high of Apple between 9:30 and 10 a.m. Eastern, and that becomes your breakout level. Here's the important part. The ORB keyword should only run after that time window has fully passed, so you always pair it with a time condition using AND. In the builder, your first row is the time check. Time is greater than 9:30 a.m. This makes sure the opening range is fully formed before the strategy starts looking at breakouts. Your second row is the actual breakout condition. Set the left side to LTP, that is, the last traded price of your stock. Set the operator to greater than. Then on the right side, pick ORB. Select your instrument, choose high, and set your window from 9:30 to 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So the full condition reads, time is greater than 10 a.m. and last traded price is greater than the opening range high. Two rows, both connected with AND. Row 1 is the time gate. Row 2 is the price breakout above the range high. That's it. In our upcoming video, we are going to create a complete strategy using the ORB keyword. Like and subscribe so you do not miss it, and I will see you in the next one.